Hi guys, today we are going to color in a picture with colored rice. I have so much colors. Secondly, we've put the yellow paint into the rice so that the rice is yellow. We close the lid and mix the rice. Mix. Look at yellow rice. We put the rice on the tissue so that it dries. Now we coloring the rice red. We close the lid and mix. Look at my beautiful color. Now we coloring rice blue. Blue and green. Now we've put the colors onto the tissue and wait one day so that it dries out. So guys, now we are going to color in a picture with colored rice. With hot glitter glue, we're trying to stick the rice in the picture so that the hot glue doesn't dry. If you like my video, subscribe, then put like. Bye.